Embarking on a fitness journey can be both exciting and daunting for beginners. With countless resources, advice, and techniques available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. This guide aims to simplify the process by breaking down the basics of fitness, providing practical tips, and offering encouragement for those starting their fitness journey. Fitness is a broad term that encompasses various aspects of physical health, including strength, endurance, flexibility, and body composition. It involves the capacity to perform physical activities with vigor and without undue fatigue, and it significantly contributes to overall well-being. Cardiovascular endurance, the ability of the heart, lungs, and blood vessels to deliver oxygen to your body tissues during prolonged physical activity. Muscular strength, the maximum force that a muscle or group of muscles can exert against resistance. Muscular endurance, the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to perform repetitive contractions against resistance for an extended period. Flexibility, the range of motion available at a joint or group of joints. Body composition, the ratio of fat to lean mass in the body. Before diving into workouts, it's essential to set realistic and achievable fitness goals. These goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Understanding your starting point can help tailor your fitness plan to your needs. Simple assessments like measuring your resting heart rate, counting how many push-ups you can do, or timing how long you can hold a plank can provide a baseline to track your progress. For beginners, it's crucial to find an exercise routine that is enjoyable and sustainable. Consider cardiovascular exercises, strength training, flexibility, and balance exercises to create a balanced workout plan. Start slow and gradually increase intensity. Focus on proper form to avoid injuries and incorporate rest and recovery days. Consistency is key to achieving long-term fitness goals. Mix up your workouts to keep them engaging and challenging. Monitor your progress, stay hydrated, eat healthily, seek support, and avoid common mistakes like overtraining and neglecting warm-up and cool-down sessions. Incorporate essential fitness equipment like resistance bands, dumbbells, yoga mats, jump ropes, and stability balls for effective home workouts. As you progress, consider advanced equipment like kettlebells, pull-up bars, foam rollers, and cardio machines. Working with personal trainers, joining group fitness classes, and utilizing online resources and apps can enhance your fitness journey. Remember the mental benefits of exercise, mindfulness practices, and the importance of staying motivated during setbacks. Starting a fitness journey is a commendable decision that can lead to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. By understanding the basics of fitness, setting realistic goals, and following the tips outlined in this guide, beginners can establish a solid foundation for long-term success.